Welcome to our channel, English Clouds. In this video, I'll provide a list of irregular verbs, including both British and American pronunciations, as well as the simple past and past participle forms. Try to watch or at least listen to it while you're doing another task, as many times as you can. This way, you'll make the most of it and memorize them easily. Arise, arose, arisen. Be, was, were, been. Become, became, become. Begin, begun, begun. Bend, bent, bent. Bet, bet, bet. Bind, bound, bound. Bite, bit, bitten. Blow, blew, blown. Break, broke, broken. Bring, brought, brought. Build, built, built. Buy, bought, bought. Catch, caught, caught. Choose, chose, chosen. Come, came, come. Cost, cost, cost. Don't forget to subscribe and drop a thumbs up. Cut, cut, cut. Deal, dealt, dealt. Dig, dug, dug. Do, did, done. Draw, drew, drawn. Drink, drank, drank. Drive, drove, driven. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Feel, felt, felt. Fight, fought, fought. Find, found, found. Fly, flew, flown. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Forgive, forgave, forgiven. Freeze, froze, frozen. Get, got, gotten, got. Give, gave, given. Go, went, gone. Grow, grew, grown. Hang, hang, hang. Watch or listen to this video repeatedly so that the irregular verbs become natural to you. Have, had, had. Hear, heard, heard. Hide, hid, hidden. Hit, hit, hit. Hold, held, held. Heard, heard, heard. Keep, kept, kept. Know, knew, known. Lay, laid, laid. Lead, led, led. Learn, learned, learned. Leave, left, left. Learn, learned, learned. Let, let, let. Lie, lay, lay. Light, lit, lighted, lit, lighted. Lose, lost, lost. Made, made, made. Mean, meant, meant. Meet, met, met. Pay, paid, paid. Put, put, put. Read, read, read. Ride, rode, ridden. Ring, rang, rang. Ride, rose, reason. Run, ran, run. Say, said, said. See, saw, seen. Sell, sold, sold. Send, sent, sent. Set, set, set. Shake, shook, shaken. Shine, shone, shone. Shoot, shot, shot. Show, showed, shown. Sing, sang, sung. Sit, sat, sat. Sleep, slept, slept. Speak, spoke, spoken. Spend, spent, spent. Stand, stood, stood. Steer, stole, stolen. Stick, stuck, stuck. Swear, swore, sworn. Swim, swam, swum. take, took, taken, teach, taught, taught, tear, tore, torn, tell, told, told, think, thought, thought, throw, threw, thrown, understand, understood, understood, wake, work, woken, wear, wore, worn, weep, wept, wept, win, won, won, write, wrote, written, win, won, won, shoe, should, shown, should, shrink, shrank, shrank, sink, sank, sunk, slay, slew, slay, slain, slay, speed, sped, sped, spit, spat, spat, split, 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 spread, 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 spring, sprang, sprung, sting, stung, stung, strike, struck, struck, stricken, stream, strike, strung, sweep, swept, swept, undertake, undertook, undertaken. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and drop a thumbs up so you help the channel to reach more English learners. See you in the next video.